Hey everyone, Kevin here. Welcome back to the channel, Missouri Clark Live. So we just got hit with 3¼ inches rain in just no time at all. I'm not sure how long it rained, but we got a total of 3¼ inches rain. Got alert on the phone that evidently there was some flooding here and there. So down where we have our little wet weather stream, I think I'm gonna go down there and see what's going on, see if it's flooding pretty good down there. Been long enough that maybe it's probably all gone through and there won't be any water really rolling down there. But I thought, well, hop on the ATV and see what's going on. Been a crazy day. Always do some grilling on Sundays, and we call it Sunday grilling. And the weather was just being a pain in the butt, but I was able to get the grilling done. Uploaded that to YouTube Shorts. Ended up having 2 grills going, propane and charcoal. Once rain stopped, I was able to get the charcoal going. So anyway, check those out and hold on for a second. And we'll go down there and see what our little wet weather stream looks like. Hop on the old Timberwolf and away we go. See you in a bit. Oh yeah, we definitely got some water running down here. I wish I would have come down sooner, because I guarantee this has subsided from what it was. So that's one of the paths that goes up through the hill. There's normally not any water over that there. And we got our little waterfall going here. So yeah, we definitely got a bunch of water come through here. I bet an hour ago it was a lot deeper down through here than what it is right now. So anyway, looks pretty cool. This is the most water I've seen in this area. Definitely makes our little stream look pretty cool, and got the cool sound of the waterfall. So I'm going to go up here to this other crossing. I'm going to cross right here and then go over this other crossing. We'll see what it looks like that, and then probably head back to the house. Definitely looks pretty cool. Just wanted to show everybody what it looks like down here after we get a pretty good rain. See you in a bit. So yeah, we got a bunch of water on this area too. So this is definitely the highest I've seen it, but I wish I'd been down here an hour ago. It would have been really all through here. You can see where this has been water all through there quite a bit. Sounds really cool with the water rushing through here. Okay, everyone. Well, I'm going to head back to the house. May go ahead and put the GoPro on the ATV and give you a short ride back. So everyone be safe, be strong, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We will talk to you later. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little tour through the flooding area. So we are headed back to the house and calling it a day. Everyone be safe, be strong. We will talk to you later.